This is a scene where you see a herd of wild elephants crossing the road. The most special thing is that the road they are using is a road they have been going to and fro for a very long time. And the animals have lost their habitats. They go out in herds to look for food. And they travel up to 100 kilometers a day for that. Generally, one elephant needs about 1,000 kilograms of food, and they travel in herds for that food. Humans have encroached on the habitats of these animals. The site is a human-cultivated area, which is fenced off by electric fences to protect it from elephants and other animals. This herd of elephants has one leader, and other elephants are seen traveling with him. This is a scene in Sri Lanka, and compared to other countries in the world, extremely beautiful wildlife and tourist places are found in Sri Lanka.